Wow, look at this magnet. It's glowing. The field pulls the letters together, making them move. Wow, they spell fun. Science is awesome. Have you ever pushed a door open or pulled a drawer out? That is a force. A force is a push or a pull. Today we'll learn about forces, movement, friction, and the amazing force called magnetism. Let's see how these forces work. Friction slows the car down, and magnetism pulls it back. Forces can make objects start moving, stop moving, speed up, or slow down. Look, a force makes the car start moving, and a force can make it slow down and stop. Even changing direction needs a force. When an object moves, there is often a force that tries to slow it down. This force is called friction. Friction happens when two surfaces rub against each other. See how the car slows down on the rough sandpaper? That's friction. Rough surfaces create more friction, so objects slow down faster. A sled slides easily on ice because there is less friction. It's harder to slide on grass because friction is higher. Friction isn't always a problem. Friction helps us walk without slipping. Friction helps bike tires grip the road. And it helps a pencil grip paper when you write. Magnets create a special force called magnetism. Magnetic forces can act at a distance. That means magnets can pull some objects without even touching them. Wow! The magnet is pulling the paper clips. Fridge magnets stick to metal doors. Some cranes use magnets to lift scrap metal. Not everything is magnetic. Magnets attract some metals, especially iron and steel. But materials like plastic, wood, rubber, and glass are not magnetic. Some metals like aluminium don't stick to magnets. Magnets have two ends called poles. One pole is called north and the other is called south. But you don't need to remember the names today. What matters is what poles do.
Opposite poles attract. They pull together. Matching poles repel. They push apart. That's why sometimes magnets stick together easily, and sometimes they push away like they don't want to touch. Magnets are used in many everyday things. They help keep fridge notes up. They can keep cupboard doors closed. And compasses use magnets to help people find direction.
Quiz time! What is a force? A push or a pull? What force slows objects down on rough surfaces? Friction. What materials do magnets attract best? Iron and steel. Do opposite poles attract or repel? Attract! Now you know forces can push and pull, friction can slow things down, and magnets create a force at a distance. Great work, scientist!